Let's make this spicy strawberry jam fried chicken. In this bowl, I have 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, half tablespoon of onion powder, half tablespoon of garlic powder, and half tablespoon of salt. I'm going to go ahead and make sure this is well mixed. Now I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle the seasoning on my chicken and I'm going to rub that in very well. I'm going to let it marinate for 15 minutes. So to my flour, I'm now going to add the rest of the seasonings that I put on the chicken and I'm going to give that flour a whisk. Now I'm going to go ahead and coat my chickens and then I'm going to add them to the oil. I'm going to deep fry them in a pot on the stove for about 20 minutes. Then I'm going to remove them and make the strawberry sauce that I'll use to coat my chickens.